celebrate when things really matter. And so I'm here with you, Renee. I'm here with my beautiful, busty, blonde, badass babe, Harley Cameron. The other half of the AEW Women's Tag Team Championship. But I'm also here to celebrate a reunion because I've been reunited with my beautiful TBS Championship. And that's pretty sweet. But I've also been reunited with the AEW World Women's Champion, the incomparable, the amazing Chris Statlander. And so we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna eat some dessert because let's be real, your girl loves some cake. But the one thing I love most of all is this. I love the fight. I love the competition. We're gonna get cake, but we're also gonna talk to our challengers. Because listen, if you wanna be TBS challenger, if you wanna be a tag team challenger, come, your girl wants to fight. I'll do 2 fights in one night if I have to. Because that's what pro wrestling is about. But because it's pro wrestling, I also know somebody in the back probably wants to come crash my party. They don't want me to have a good celebration, but listen, we're all having a good time. I'll invite whoever wants to come back. And I know Miss Thing back there really has something to say. She wants to come. So Mercedes, join us, please. I invite you.
Tag Team Championship celebration a few weeks ago. She also crashed Willow's first ever TBS Championship celebration back in 2024.
That's a good call, Excalibur. Here she comes. As only the CEO can.
And we've seen Mercedes, JR, she has not been taking these losses well as of late.
Of course not. Young lady's an amazing athlete, a hell of a performer. But boy, she likes her some Mercedes, I'll tell you that. And maybe that's what it takes in today's world to get ahead and stay ahead. I don't know.
Mercedes, girl, you are always so fashionable. You look so great. And we have so much to celebrate together. You have had an unstoppable 2025. PWI #1 Women's Wrestler of the Year. Sports Illustrated #1 Wrestler of the Year. You've gone from country to country, company to company. You've been racking up those championships, and you are now Ulta Moné. And because of you, I've had to dig deep to get my TBS championship back. But I am, once more, the face of TBS! So let's cut some cake and have a great time, Mercedes.
Mercedes not doing well.
No, Mercedes did not seem like she's in the mood to celebrate us.
Oh, God.
Harley just trying to inject some levity. Oh! Mercedes. Face first into the cake. And wait a second, Willow! Oh, the cake!
Not the cake. What a freaking scene.
Things going from bad to worse for the CEO, the former TBS champion.
He was invited out here to celebrate.
the celebration can begin for the two-time TBS champion,